Hey guys! So I jumped the gun a little bit here. I forgot to turn on the camera before I started. And today we're doing shiplap.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
So it's the first time I've ever done shiplap, and there are a couple different techniques you could use in putting this on, but the real quick gist of it is you can buy this 6-inch wide, which is what I have here, or 8-inch wide from Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever. And the shiplap, let me go grab a piece and I'll show you guys. So the shiplap has kind of a notch out of it on both sides here, so that when you set down your first piece, the next piece sits right on top of it, and purposely leaving a little gap there. Now the steps to putting this on, you measure your wall space of where you're wanting to put the shiplap on and do the math to see how many pieces you need to buy. Cut your first piece, and when you position it, you need to make sure that it is perfectly level. That way, all the pieces that stack on top of it can remain level. So here's where you can kind of customize this. Right now, I'm putting full-length pieces so there's no seam. I started out with 12-foot pieces so that 56 inches here and 56 inches there comes out of one piece. But I could have purposely done a seam on every other just for the look of it, and Sarah didn't want that. She wanted it all seamless. You can do it however you want to that way, and you see lots of both. Now the way I'm attaching this to the wall is I just have a finish nailer. You can see my lines here maybe in the camera. I have with my stud finder marked all my studs in the wall, and then of course I have one here in the corner too. And I am doing a nail top and bottom on every single stud, which is securing this on super tight. And again, they overlap each other, so every time you place a new piece, it strengthens the pieces below it too. So these pieces, enough pieces to do these two 56 by 65, I think it was, sections of wall, came out to about $100 in material for the shiplap. So anyway, that's what we're doing here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Or if you see me doing something goofy, because again, this is my first time doing shiplap, let me know. So one more side note here. My finish nailer is leaving little holes in this. Some people want to leave that to give it more of a rough look, of a rugged look, I guess. And some people want to fill that in so it's super clean. I tend to lean towards rugged and rough. Sarah always tends to lean towards clean, and I'm sure she's going to win on this, so.
I don't like it being like this.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
He doesn't like the shiplap. You hate it?
Yeah.
Ah!
I don't like it being on wall too.
I think it looks nice on the walls.
I don't like it.
And here's the final product.
Wait, let's go through it.
That's where the road is up there.
Wait, we're under a road?
Yeah.
So a guy built this and
This is for water. This is called a spillway.
You guys are stressing me out.
This is not slippery.
My legs are getting tired.
That was a crazy adventure. Let's do this one first. You want to do it, Sawyer?
Yeah.
Why don't you just set it down sideways and let it roll?
This is just a bunch of trash that they found at the bottom.
Whoa, big jump. Wait, okay, now just set yours. Are you gonna throw it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
All right.
Oh, you hit the TV.
Which is?
Okay, ready?